Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. So I just put an announcement number 4. Remember, I'm going to label them. That way, if I have to refer to them, it's easier. Excuse me. I don't put everything in the modules because there's enough information that can become overwhelming to begin with. So I like to use the announcement, so make sure you're reading those. And the latest announcement was how to insert a page break. If you're doing MLA and you have questions, ask me. I don't mind making videos. I do use Owl Purdue MLA, so I suggest you do that if you're not. Or AI is really good. Like if you type in something in Google, it will give you answers about like how to cite such and such and such. So you can do that, or again, use Owl Purdue, and then go to the MLA. All right, so let's go to the modules. I just want to make sure everybody that we are on the, excuse me, the same page. So we are in week 3. So most people have already, well, okay, by Sunday, make sure your Townsend Press are finished. You have chapter 7 and chapter 8 to do. Remember, these are due by July 12th. I have all of Townsend Press open, so make sure you follow the dates. Or you can do all of the assignments if you want, but make sure you do chapter 7 and chapter 8 by this Sunday. Your quizzes are due. Okay, everyone has submitted, most people have submitted their week 3 discussion board post here. Here, if you're going to rewrite the week 2 discussion board, put it here and it's due tonight, and I won't take anything after tonight. Make sure that you make all the corrections on the week 2 discussion board. The instructions are here, they're embedded if you click on here. If not, it's going to be an excuse. Okay, this is here to help your grade. I want you to learn from the errors you made. And a lot of them are MLA errors, and I know some of you don't have a lot of experience with MLA, but this is an opportunity to bring up your first week 2 discussion board grade. All right, compare and contrast essay that's due by Sunday. And this is about isms. Make sure you watch the prompt and follow the instructions, the requirements. This is about isms. Make sure you have isms in your thesis statement. So what isms is your paper going to be about? If your essay is about classism, racism, and genderism, those 3 should be listed in your thesis statement. So that's just a little hint there. Again, you can watch the prompt video. Here are the articles that are used for the isms essay. Make sure you are citing properly. And then your self-assessment, go ahead and do that. It's not worth any points, but I do read them and I do take people's constructive criticisms, or if I see that you've fallen somewhere, how can I make that better for you? All right, MLA hints and then helpful resources here. And I am going to jump ahead. Make sure all this is due. Oh, don't forget to do your 4 responses for the discussion board here. For the optional rewrite, no, there is no discussion board. You don't have any responses to make there. All right, and then week 4, please, I'm asking you, some students aren't doing this. Make sure you start with the overview video because it's going to tell you the that you have to complete these 3 quizzes before you can go into the discussion boards, because the information in here is very necessary, or you won't know what's going on. And make copies of everything in here. All right, I think week 4 is a pretty heavy week because you're learning the difference between persuasion and argumentation. All right, so make sure you follow that carefully. All right, everybody, if you have any questions, please let me know. And again, I hate to keep stressing this. Please put in the time. This is a lot of work. Trying to jump on it and finish everything in 1 or 2 hours, you are not going to make it. All right, everybody, happy Friday, and take care. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.